everyone, I'm Srinidhi of class 8B. Today I'm going to make poha nuggets. It's a very simple and tasty recipe. So let's go to my kitchen. To make poha nuggets, the ingredients are soaked poha, boiled potatoes, coriander leaves and chopped onions, chili powder, chaat masala, ginger paste, corns, maida, besan, turmeric. Now add besan, turmeric, potatoes, onions and coriander leaves, chili powder and chaat masala, and lastly ginger paste. Now mix all of them to make a dough consistency. Now make cutlets with the help of the dough. Now take maida and add water in it to make a slurry. Now take the cutlet, dip it in the slurry and coat it with the corn flakes. Now take the oil and heat it for some time. After the oil is heated, take few cutlets and heat it in the oil. Fry it until golden brown. After it becomes golden in color, keep it aside. Now fry all of them. You can have it with tomato sauce, it will be very tasty. Decorate it with coriander leaves. As you can see, it looks very crispy and tasty. Now it is ready to eat. Thank you.
Kivre.
Eat re.